Hi, Randall.
Hi!
Come on in.
Yeah, I stopped by to see if you were still looking for a roommate to share your house.
Yep, I sure am. Ever since I cut back on my working hours to go to school, I've been really strapped for cash.
Oh.
Hey, let me show you the place. Here's the living room.
Oh, it looks like you could use a new carpet. And those stains?
Well, I've had a few problems with some former roommates. I know it needs to be cleaned, but I just don't have the money to do it right now.
Oh. And what about the kitchen?
Right this way. Look, it's completely furnished with all the latest appliances except...
What?
Well, the refrigerator door is broken, a little bit, and it won't shut all the way. It needs fixing, but don't worry, I've just improvised by pushing a box against it to keep it shut.
Great.
It isn't that bad.
Well, how about the bathroom?
Well...
No, don't tell me. The toilet is clogged and the sink has a few leaks.
No, those work fine, but the tile in the shower needs to be replaced, and the window needs fixing.
Let me see. The tile? What? The window? Where's the window pane?
Well, that's another slight problem. I put up a piece of cardboard to keep out the rain and the snow, and if it gets a little cold, you can always turn up the heat. Well, you used to, until the central heating went out.
Oh, boy. Hey, I think I've seen enough. I can't believe you survived under these conditions.
So what do you think? You really can't beat a place like this for $450 a month. So it has a few problems, but we can fix those.
No thank you. I think I've seen enough.